Elsa! Hola. We went to the pedia because Alicia has cough. But mommy forgot to take a video in the doctor. We got hungry after that get up. So we ate up KFC. You got my chicken? That's what I want to do. Got anything left by medicine for Alicia and don't call me. Call me Elsa. Ada likes Elsa because he likes gold. We buy medicine in Watson. Mommy said we're gonna buy play money. Play money on toys, Mommy? Can you hear my cough, guys? But I still enjoy looking at the toys in the store. What's the play money?
It's like a money.
Plus we can find play money at the debt store. We went to National Bookstore. Our lesson at school is about money, so we're gonna buy play money to practice. Mommy, can I have this? Thank you.
As long as you're gonna study later, okay?
Really? Mommy asked the girl where the play money is. Yeah. Now it's
There's coins and there's bills.
where's the point?
Is it the same?
I don't know. Ate wants the drawing book, but I want this toy. Time to go home now. You think Ate is tired? No. He's thinking about Bingo and Caroline. But the bad guy didn't kill someone. How about Bingo? No.
Let's wait for episode 4, okay?
Okay, tomorrow.
Yeah.
How about in the night?
Eh, but it's your time to sleep na eh. It's so late.
So,
Maybe tomorrow.
okay. I will show you guys the toy what I bought. Then look at the arrow. Then you put a hat there. Look at her. But I'm breathing. How can I hold the hand? Put it in her. Control. Show it to us. But Alicia, I'm holding the video.